Yeah, this is another question from my students. The question says x plus 7 over 6 plus 1 over 2 equals x minus 2 over 4. This is another fractional equation. We have unknown inside and outside. So, which means that the answer we get as x is the same thing here and here. So, how do we solve this question? We use the same fraction trick. What do? We add these two together. How? By finding the LCM. Let's find the LCM of this. 2 and 6. The way I find my LCM is, if the smaller number can go in the bigger number becomes the LCM. If the two denominators are the same, I just pick one and make the LCM. But if the smaller denominator can go in the bigger denominator, then the bigger denominator becomes the LCM. But in a case whereby they are not the same denominator, and the smaller denominator cannot go in the bigger denominator, I multiply to get the LCM. That is the fastest way I do it. That's my fast trick. So here now, what do? Since 2 can go in 6, 6 becomes my LCM. So from here now, I simplify. How many 6 can we get in 6? Is 1. 1 multiplied by the whole of the numerator. That will be 1 into x plus 7. Then from here now, we have this plus sign. Then how many 2 can we get in 6? It's 3. Then 3 multiplied by this numerator, which is 1. 3 into 1. So from here we have equals x minus 2 over 4. So from here now we expand this bracket. 1 multiplied by all of this is the same thing. 1 times x is x. Plus 1 times 7 is 7. Then here plus 3 times 1 we have plus 3. Everything all over this 6 equals x minus 2 over 4. So from here, we can add these two numbers together. You know, x cannot be added to numbers because this is under algebra, it is not allowed. So here we say 7 plus 3 is 10 plus x. So we have x plus 7 plus 3, that is 10 over 6 equals x minus 2 over 4. So we have a fraction here, another fraction here, and an equal to sign in their middle. Like I said in the first question she sent to me, when you have two fractions with an equal to sign in their middle, what do? We cross multiply, which means this 4 to multiply everything here, and this 6 to multiply everything here. So we have 4 into x plus 10, x plus 10. Then here, 6 into this equals, the equal to comes back to their middle. Then 6 into x minus 2. So from here now we expand the bracket again like we did here. We expand the bracket again. 4 times x, we have 4x, that is algebra. Then 4 times plus 10, we have plus 40 equals, then 6 times x, we have 6x, then 6 times minus 2. This 6 here is carrying an invisible plus sign. So plus times minus, under sign rule is minus. Then 6 times 2, we have 12. So minus 2 times 6, we have minus 12. So from here now, this is an equation. What do? We collect our like terms, the terms that look alike. We have x here and x here. We collect them together. We have a number here, another number here. We collect them together. So what do? We start with the first x. We have 4x. This is another x here. It is plus 6. It is carrying an invisible plus sign at the back here. So what do we have? Plus 6 will come inside back to meet this plus 4. So when this plus 6 crosses this sign, it changes to what? Minus 6x. Like I said in the first question. When the plus sign crosses an equal to sign, it changes to minus, and likewise minus changes to plus. So we have equal to, then already here we have minus 12 outside. The minus 12 comes. Then this is plus 40. Plus 40 will cross to meet minus 12 outside. So it changes to minus 40. Minus 40. So here now, let me rewrite. We have 4x minus 6x equals minus 12 minus 40. This is what we have here. So here now, what do? 4x minus 6x. This is plus 4x minus 6x. Plus 4x means that I have 4x minus 6x. I am owing 6x. That's the trick I use also, and I teach my pupils. I have 4x plus 4x minus 6x. I am owing 6x. If I pay this 4x, I will still be owing 2x, and that is negative 2x minus 2x. Then equals, here we have minus 12 minus 40. What do we have here? Minus 12, I am owing 12, just like I did here. Minus 12, I am owing 12. Minus 40, I am owing 40. How much am I owing altogether? And that is minus 52. So we have minus 2x equals minus 52. What are we solving for? We want to get our x. The x here needs to stand alone. We need to make our x isolate the formula. So what do? We have to get rid of this minus 2. Thereby, from here now, we divide both sides by minus 2. Because we need our x to stand alone. So we divide both sides by minus 2. Then we'll have minus 2x equals minus 52. So we say divide by minus 2, divide by minus 2. Here, the negative sign cancels out negative sign. Also, same here, minus cancel out minus. Then these 2 cancel out 2. So what do we have left? X equals 52 over 2. Then when we divide 52 by 2, our final answer is going to be 26, which means x is equal to 26. Thank you.